ahead with the first state, that is Sikkim. Sikkim is a state in northeast India bordered by Bhutan, Tibet and Nepal. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Sikkim is well known. Why? Can you tell me? We read it in the very first chapter. Because the world third highest mountain peak, that is Kanchenjunga, is located where? In Sikkim. Sikkim is famous for its orchids, very beautiful flowers. And also we can find different kinds of animals like snow leopard, musk deer, Asian black bear in Sikkim. Here mainly the people belong to the Lepcha, Bhutia or Nepali tribe. Now let us see about the dress of the Bhutias, Nepalis and the Lepchas. Bhutias, they wear long skirts called boku and colorful jewelry made from beads. This is the traditional dress worn by both men and women of the Bhutia tribe. What is a boku? Long skirt, and they wear colorful jewelry made from beads. The Lepchas wear thokrudam, which is the traditional dress of the men of the Lepcha community. White pajama, a Lepcha shirt that is known as yantheste, and sambo, which is an embroidery cap. And the women of the Lepcha community, they wear damyam or damyam, that is a sari-like garment along with a scarf and a topi in the head. The Nepalis, they wear surubal. The Nepali tribe here, they wear surubal. The men of the Nepali tribe, the traditional dress is surubal, which is a churidar, along with a pajama, which is known as a dora. And the traditional dress of the women of the Nepali tribe is fariya. In Sikkim, the official language is Hindi and English. But other than Hindi and English, the people here speak in other languages also, like the Bhutia, the Lepcha, Nepali, Tibetan. These are the other languages in which people speak in Sikkim. So what we understood about Sikkim? Sikkim is a state which is bordered by Bhutan, Tibet and Nepal. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Here we can see the third highest mountain peak in the world, that is Kanchenjunga. It is located in Sikkim. It is famous for its orchids, which is very important. Here mostly it contains, or here the people belong to the Lepcha, Bhutia or Nepali tribe. We learnt about the traditional dress of the Bhutias, Nepalis and the Lepchas, and which is official language, Hindi and English. Now let us move ahead with the next state, that is West Bengal. Now let us go ahead with West Bengal. In West Bengal, we will only know about Darjeeling, as the northern mountains are confined to the northern parts of the state, that is Darjeeling. Now West Bengal is a state in the eastern region of India, which is bordered by Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. The northern mountains are confined to the northern parts of the state, that is Darjeeling, which is a hill station situated in the northern part of West Bengal. Darjeeling is mainly inhabited by the Lepcha and the Rongpa tribe. But other than these two tribes, you can also find Gorkhas, Bhutias, Sarpas, those who wear different costumes. Ethnic groups in Darjeeling still follow their traditional way of dressing. Gorkhas, the major ethnic group in Darjeeling, to wear their traditional costumes even on day-to-day basis. Gorkha men generally wear bhoto, dora surwal and the Dhaka topi, which is a cap, while women wear sari and cholo. On the other hand, the traditional dress for Lepcha men is dumpra, and for women it is ankle-length tamdem. The Tibetan women wear dark-colored wrap dresses known as boku or chuba over a long-sleeved blouse. They use a striped-colored apron to indicate that they are married. Darjeeling is famous for its tea gardens, that is, tea grown on the hill slopes. Here you can enjoy the view of Kanchenjunga, Darjeeling Himalayan Railways, and the most important Ghum station, which is the highest railway station in India. That means it is located at the highest altitude from the mean sea level. Darjeeling is also famous for the toy train. You can go and enjoy a toy train ride in Darjeeling. Here, mostly people speak in Nepali. Nepali is a dominant language, but there are other languages like Bengali and English. So Nepali, Bengali, English are the languages which are spoken in Darjeeling, but dominant language, 80% of the people in Darjeeling, they speak in Nepali language. Here, what are the famous food of Darjeeling? Momo. You all love to have momo. Momo is very famous in Darjeeling. Thupka is also very famous. It is a Tibetan cuisine. It is a Tibetan soup with noodles, which is very, very yummy and tasty. You can have a try. So Darjeeling is famous for momo and the thupka. So let us see why Darjeeling is famous once again. Darjeeling is a hill station which is situated in the northern parts of West Bengal. It is famous for its tea garden, views of Kanchenjunga, Darjeeling Himalayan Railways, Ghum station. Here we can find different tribes like Gorkhas, Bhutias, Sarpas, Lepchas and the Rongpa. They wear different type of costumes. In Darjeeling, mostly the people speaking Nepali, Bengali, English languages. I hope so all of you understood about Darjeeling. We are only going to read about Darjeeling. Why? Because the northern mountains are confined in the northern parts of the state, that is Darjeeling, right? So, what we learned in this video? We learned about two states. Number one, Sikkim, why it is famous for orchid, right? And number two, we learned about West Bengal, but Darjeeling in West Bengal. So in Darjeeling, why it is famous? Darjeeling is famous for its tea gardens. I hope so all of you understood. In the description box, you will find the PDF where the notes are provided. So you can just have a look in the PDF. If you like my content, don't forget to give a thumbs up and to comment for any more suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications of the upcoming videos. I hope so all of you are understanding and liking the videos. Until then, stay safe, stay at your home, and don't forget to read and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.